We've been remodeling this bathroom and it's really coming together. Now it's time for the new sink and vanity.
We splurged a little on ours, but you can find options to fit your budget and style.
And putting in a new sink and vanity is really easy, but if you're planning on rerouting plumbing, you might want to call a plumber in for that part.
And if the space you're working in is tight, take some measurements to make sure your new vanity will fit.
And once you have an idea on size, make sure you look at all the styles and options at Lowe's. Now, when we started our project, the bathroom looked like this. We're doing a total bathroom remodel, which meant taking out everything to the wall studs. Of course, that meant removing the old vanity. Here's how we did it.
We started by turning off the water supply and turning on the faucet to release any pressure in the lines. Then we loosened the slip nut at the top of the P-trap. You may have to remove the entire trap. We disconnected the water lines from the valves. Then we cut the sealant along the backsplash with the utility knife. You might have to tug on the sink top to get it loose. We used a chisel and hammer to separate ours from the base, but do this from the inside if you're going to reuse the vanity. Once the top was off, we removed the screws from the back of the vanity and pulled it out.
So our vanity's out and the walls are finished. If you need to repair any of your walls, now's the time to do it. Once you've done that, it's time to install.
Start by marking the height of the vanity on the wall in 3 different locations, then mark the width on the wall. Now you should have a rough outline for the new vanity. Use a stud finder to locate and mark the wall studs inside the outlined area. If your new vanity has a back, measure the distance from the wall marks to the pipes. Translate these measurements to the new vanity back and cut the pipe holes with the hole saw. Move the vanity into place, lining up the marks. Check that it's level and make adjustments if needed.
Once the base is level, drill a pilot hole at the nearest stud. For holes not in line with studs, you have to use wall anchors. Use a type that's made for your wall surface, tile, plaster, or drywall. Now you can attach the cabinet with screws.
On to part 2, the sink. Go ahead and assemble the sink while it's out, starting with the faucet and the sink drain. Once done, add a thin bead of silicone adhesive to the rim of the vanity. Be careful not to get it on the face. The sink top is ready to go on. This is a 2-person job. Place the assembled sink on the vanity top and press firmly in place. Then, let the adhesive cure according to the directions. Once it's dried, reconnect the water supply lines and the drain. You might need to cut the tail piece with a hacksaw to make it fit. Now apply a bead of caulk along the back edge against the wall and clean up any excess. Turn on the water to test for leaks and you're good to go.
Now this is a step in the right direction. This vanity looks great.
See the rest of our bath remodel series at lowes.com/howto.